Hello everyone, today I'm going to share another big airdrop with you. The listing date for this airdrop has already been announced. It's on October 9th, so make sure you don't miss out on this opportunity. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel. I regularly upload videos about profitable airdrops, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's get started. You'll find the link to this airdrop in the description box and the comment section. Just tap the link, and it will redirect you to your Telegram app. Once there, tap the play button and wait for 5 to 6 seconds for the airdrop homepage to appear. You'll receive some tokens for free right away. There are several ways to earn Memefi coins. One way is through the spin game. Tap the energy icon to access the spin game. You'll need energy power for each spin. Right now, I have 38 energy power, so I can spin 38 times. Tap the spin button and you'll earn rewards. Once all your energy power is used up, you'll see the rewards you've earned. Next, you can earn points by tapping on the character. In my case, I receive 1 coin per tap. You can increase your earning rate by going to the booster section and upgrading the damage option. I upgraded my damage to level 5, and now I receive 5 coins per tap. If you want to automate the process, go to the booster section and tap Bot. Purchase it, and once activated, it will automatically generate 129,600 coins every 3 hours. You can claim these coins 3 times a day after activating the bot. There's also a turbo feature in the booster section. Tap Claim Boost, and a bottle will appear. Tap it, and your earnings will increase 10 times for 10 to 20 seconds. You can also complete simple tasks in the Earn section to get more coins and spin points, such as watching YouTube videos. For example, I completed the win token task by tapping it, then launching the board, tapping the start button, and waiting 5 to 10 seconds. After returning to the MiniFi Airdrop page, I checked the task status and tapped Yes, completed. You can do the same for other tasks, like joining their Telegram channel. You can invite your friends and family to earn even more points through the referral system. Finally, in the wallet section, tap Create Wallet. You'll be given a 12-word seed phrase, which is important for logging back in if you ever get logged out, so make sure to copy and save it. Afterward, tap Continue and select your seed words according to their position. Your wallet will be successfully created, and you'll receive the airdrop tokens in this wallet when they are distributed. That's all for today's video. You can come back daily to complete tasks and earn more coin. Please like this video and share it with your family and friends. See you in the next video.